Okay, coming to you live from CloudBeat here in San Francisco. I'm here with Anand Iyengar, and you are the CTO and founder of Cloud Velocity. Is that true?
That's right, yes.
Awesome. So you just got off on stage. You were one of the a handful of folks in the late stage, mid stage contest where you went and pitched to a bunch of VC type folks, and they're going to give you the yay or nay, I guess, the winner in probably an hour or so.
Yeah, I think you're right around 5.
So now tell us a little bit, just first at a high level, what is Cloud Velocity?
What Cloud Velocity does is get your systems, whether they're physical or virtual, from your local data center into cloud systems like Amazon Web Services, Azure, or OpenStack type cloud environments. We're a platform that extends your local data center into the cloud sites. We extend networking, compute, and storage systems into the cloud.
And now, how would that be different from a regular hybrid that people have? Are you saying you would not have cloud inside and you would just move it to the cloud outside, or?
Actually, we do offer hybrid cloud services. In this case, you can run your applications on your local physical or virtual systems, extend them into your local cloud or into a public cloud like Amazon Web Services.
And so who would be the types of people that would be using this? I think we were talking about before, maybe mid-market, disaster recovery type things?
That's correct. So we offer 3 primary use cases. One is a dev test use case for applications that you have. This can be a copy of your production systems or other systems you're doing development on. You can also migrate these systems into the cloud, or you can do disaster recovery. You can do failover into the cloud systems using our platform as well.
Cool. Is there any customers you can talk about?
We have a couple of them on our website. We've got a number of case studies. If you take a look there, you can go through them.
Cool. And so how did you come up, as a founder, how did you come up with the idea of this? What was was this a problem you had at a company you were working with? Did it seem like an idea that someone else had mentioned to you, or how did you get the idea?
Well, after we finished with our last company and we left, the group of us actually were trying to decide on what to do next, and we noticed actually that getting systems into cloud environments like Amazon was actually very difficult. We'd actually tried some things with Amazon and found that it was definitely not very easy to use or very friendly. So we wanted to simplify that process and make it very easy for that to happen.
So do you not have to rewrite? You can take legacy code and put it in there? How does that actually work then?
That's correct. So you can take existing multi-system applications, that is applications running on groups of machines, and move those up into cloud systems like Amazon. In this case, what we do is we actually convert the local systems into images that are bootable in AWS and launch them in the cloud site. We preserve things like the storage, networking, and machine configuration, so that basically the applications themselves, when they come up, have all the dependencies fulfilled so they can launch as is. You don't need to change IP addresses or anything else. The applications themselves, since they're moved up right down to the underlying OS, have all their dependencies and can come up and run, whether they're written in assembler, C, Python, or what have you.
And so when you make contact at a company, or who usually hears about you? Is it the devs who've heard about you, or do you come in and talk to the sysadmins and say, hey, we can take all that stuff your developers have been working on and put it in the clouds?
It actually is a combination of those. So depending on the company, we hear from people who want to do more of the dev test type work, or the disaster recovery failover type workloads, or migration. So this is going to be in different parts of the company.
Awesome. And so just to conclude with, what can we look forward to in Cloud Velocity? What are some features or some directions you'd like to take it over the next year?
Well, we have a number of other use cases that we're adding. I can't talk too much about those.
Sure, no worries.
But right now we support AWS, and we're working to add Azure, and next year we'll have OpenStack as well.
Awesome. Anand Iyengar, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.